Hello, students. Right now, we are going to work in the workbook on the review for units 1, 2, and 3. We will start on page 13. So if you have already finished, follow along and check your answers. If you have not finished, follow along and complete the work. So let's start with A. Circle the word that doesn't belong, does not belong. Then match it to the reason why it doesn't belong. So number one, we have GPS, PIN, ATM, and MBA. So it's MBA, and it is not an acronym that relates to an electronic device. So C. Number two, sitcom, soap opera, party, documentary. All right, it is party because it is not a kind of TV program. So sitcoms, soap operas, and documentaries are TV programs. A soap opera is like a novella. Number three, fastest, rarely, never, and always. It is fastest because rarely, never, and always are adverbs of frequency. So E. Fastest is not talking about frequency. Number four, musical, viewer, science fiction, and Western. The answer is viewer, and the reason is it is not a kind of movie. Very good. So musical, science fiction, and Western are types of movies. Number five, president, citizen, politician, or deadline. All right, so these three are people, so most likely it's not deadline. And let's check the reasons. It is not a person related to politics. Very good. Let's write a B. Let's go to number six. Call center, customer service, degree, and telemarketing. All right, so call centers, customer service, and telemarketing are all the same. So it's degree. Now let's find out the reason why. Business meeting, technology job, or technology device? Let's say technology job. Let's go G. All right, number seven, corruption, contract, deadline, project. All right, contract, deadline, and project are all dealing with business, so corruption. And the reason is business meeting, so H. All right, so we know that this one is F. It is not a verb related to using technological device, so let's write an F here. It says not a verb. So which one of these is not a verb? Insert is a verb. Press is a verb. Star is not a verb. And check is a verb. So star is the answer. So that's exercise A. And let's move on to exercise B. All right, write a phrase from the box that goes with each verb. All right, so we have check, press, watch, vote, sign, approve, change, and look. All right, so let's see here. Which one do you think goes with check? All right, so probably it is check email. All right. And press, let's see here, what do you think? Press a number. Watch. What can you watch? You can watch a soap opera. It is like a novella, but in English. I have to write with my mouse, so I apologize for the handwriting. There you go. And vote. What do you vote for? Contract project forward. Say vote for me. All right. Sign. Which one of these can you sign? You can sign a contract. All right. And approve. You can approve forward to? No. Approve my mind? No. You can approve a project. That's the abbreviation. You can change my mind. All right, so the last one is look forward to. All right, so at the beginning, I said I look forward to seeing you in my classroom. So there you go. Those are all those. You should practice saying these. Check email, press a number, practice those until you can say them without any problems, and listen to me if you need more help. Right now, let's go to the next page. All right, so we're going to go page 14, exercise C. Match the sentences with the grammatical descriptions. These are the sentences. These are the grammatical descriptions. So also after I say it, you should practice saying it as well. This will help you with listening and speaking. So they don't speak Chinese in Sweden. It is a fact or a truth, but it's not affirmative. It's simple present negative, you think? It is present, it is simple present, and it is negative. Simple present negative, facts and truths. H. Number 2, I don't take the subway to work. All right, it is an everyday action and it is simple present negative, don't. So simple present negative, everyday action, F. Number 3, we are very busy. We're finishing our homework. All right, we're finishing. So this one, we are very busy and we are finishing. So this is probably some sort of present progressive or present continuous. So, and it is happening now. We are busy and we are finishing our homework. So that is present progressive affirmative now. So that's an E. Number 4, Lillian goes to cooking classes on Saturday. Lillian goes to cooking classes on Saturday. All right, so let's see here. This is present and it is affirmative. So we have this one. No, no, no. Here we go. So is it a fact and a truth, or is it an everyday action? It's an everyday action. Look, classes on Saturday. So that's a D. Number 5, I'm not drinking hot chocolate, it's coffee. All right, I'm not drinking hot chocolate. So not is negative. I am not drinking is progressive. So we have present progressive affirmative, no. So we have this one right here, negative. Very good. B. Rats transmit diseases to people. It is present, simple present, and it is a fact or a truth. So it is A. Number 7, you're not going out with your friends. You are not going, so this is negative. And are and going is progressive. So we have negative progressive and positive progressive. So it has to be negative. It is present progressive negative future. You are not going. And that means the last one must be G. They are meeting us in half an hour. Present progressive affirmative in the future, in half an hour, in 30 minutes. So there you go. That's everything for C. Practice saying these sentences out loud in your own time. So let's see here. Now let's go to D. Complete the sentences with the correct forms of the adverbs in parentheses. All right, my uncle gave up smoking 3 years ago. All right, so give up smoking, and it's past. Gave up smoking. My father blank to the beach last week. My father suggested going to the beach last week. So suggested is in the past. Suggested going to the beach last week. Number 3, she blank with dolls when she was a child. Was, we need to use the same verb tense. So she enjoyed, and then we need the gerund, playing. She enjoyed playing. All right. Number 4, I'm thirsty. I blank a glass of lemonade. I wouldn't mind, and then, oops, sorry about that. That is janky looking. And then just add the gerund. So you don't need to change that, just put it here. I wouldn't mind drinking a glass of lemonade. All right, number 5, I haven't blank the report. I haven't finished. And then what is the gerund? It is writing. Like that. I haven't finished writing the report. Number 6, please blank like that. Please stop shouting. Shouting is gritando. Please stop shouting like that. All right, number 7, my husband blank at night. My husband at night, this is a fact, so we need simple present because it is he. It is avoids with an S, and this is driving. My husband avoids driving at night. Number 8, let's go. I blank heavy metal music. Let's go. It'll be this right here, can't stand. Let's put that, actually, let's put that here. And then we need the gerund. So listening to. Let's go. I can't stand listening to heavy metal music. Number 9, we both blank in the park after lunch. We both, all right, after lunch is past, so the past of feel is felt. We both felt like, and then you need the gerund. Walking in the park after lunch. Number 10, my girlfriend blank keychains. All right, so this is a fact, so we need the simple present. It is she, so it needs to have an S. My girlfriend loves, and then the gerund is collecting. All right, so that is everything for exercise D. Oh no. All right, that's about 15 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video and then we will continue with another video to finish page 15 and page 16.